Hey guys, Matt from YamahaHammers.com here. We got the X2 out today. I'm going to be doing a ride tomorrow, so we're going to be installing the Yamaha spare tire mount in the back of the X2. It gives you a pretty beefy mount. The instructions, the hardware to keep it in place, and the hardware to mount it. So let's get into it and see what we got. Okay guys, so basically what the instructions tell you to do is flip the bed up, and then what you're gonna do is find your last rail here, and there is a hole in it. So basically you're gonna drill through, use that hole as a guide, drill through that hole, and that's gonna pop up through the plastic in your bed. And then once you pop up through the plastic in the bed, what you're gonna do is you're gonna get a 3/4 inch hole saw and basically use that as your guide to drill a 3/4 inch hole. So basically what that does, it gets you down to metal, and then you put these little spacers on each side. You're gonna do that, as you can see. And then up here at the top, you pop the cap off, take out the T30 Torx, and they give you the hardware. And like I said, all these mounts are going to get the spacers, including these two that are already have nuts welded on the back side. So you got 4 on each side basically. One at the top, the one you drilled out, and then 2 there, same thing on this side. So let's get it bolted in and see what we got. All right, so we got her bolted in. Basically 4 bolts on each side. This one here on both sides, the one that you drilled out, has a larger bolt and nut on the bottom. It also has a larger diameter spacer that goes in between the bottom of the plate and the, underneath here, because it's obviously a bigger bolt, so you have a bigger spacer. And then the other 3 thread right in, nice and sturdy. Because with the spacers, it makes it metal to metal. Looks pretty good. Let's see how the strap and all that bolts on, and we'll get the tire bolted on and see how she looks. Okay, so we got her all, the tire on. Basically, you just stick a bolt in the nut on the other side with your ratchet through, and then your straps go around the bottom bar. It takes a little bit of fiddling around to get everything nice and straight, but I managed to do that with my brother's help. And it does sit, the tire actually sits on this lower bar, and then you can see it straps on, but there it is, all done. It's nice and solid, doesn't rattle or make any noise. It's nice and tight. You can adjust it for a variety of sizes, and what's nice is I am also running the Yamaha box, so it, it'll mount in front, being that the Yamaha box mounts either front or the rear. So I'll just mount it in the front, so it'll sit, right in front of it, and still have access to all the stuff that I want to carry in there. So nice looking spare, looks good, and I believe it retails on Shop Yamaha for $249.99. The spare tire kit. This is only for the X2. The X4 is a little different style, being the way the back end is. So thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.